back. They ran up in your crib and took your platinum plaques. I thought that you was
YouTube, what they do? It's your man wrld back here with another banger video. In today's video, I don't even know what I'm gonna do in today's video, but we doing the intro right here, right now. Look at my puppy Lulu. She's annoying. But yeah, man, I'm about to go to the gym right now. I got me a fruit cup. This is a Chick-fil-A sandwich and stuff in there, but I don't like eating before going to the gym. I like eating like fruit. I would eat eggs or something in the morning, like an hour before or something before I go to the gym, but I haven't cooked nothing and I'm kind of hungry and I gotta go to the gym and I'm on a little time limit right now, you feel me? So I got me the chest mount. I got me a chest mount for the GoPro, so I'm gonna test that out, see what that's talking about. And then yeah, man, my former high school football team is going to the States today and my sister does cheer for the high school, so I'll be going to the games because of my sister, you know what I'm saying? I might get into football, like coaching maybe with kids. I might do that. Or do something like Destroying is doing. Get in the living room. Get in the living room. Come. He can't get me. He can't get me. Ah! Such a funny doggy. But yeah, man, I might be on some Destroying stuff and start my own like flag football team or something, little league football team. Get in there, go. That right there already killed me. I haven't been in the gym in about 4 days, probably 4 or 5 days, and I'm already tired. What the fuck? See the car right there. Cold start, a very cold start, and I think the valves are closed. So and we are inside. So let's see what this joint talking about. Oh yeah, Batmobile is ready to go. YouTube, what they do? It's your man Dre. See this right here? Get a good look at it. You know what I'm saying? Get a good look at the hair. Just get a good look at it, bro. It's about to be gone. Yep, I'm about to cut my hair. It's cold. It's outside, bro. I'm just not digging this hairstyle anymore, bro. I'm just not, bro. I'm about to get a temp fade, bro. I'm about to cut this off and restart, bro. You know what I'm saying? I had this hairstyle for so long, bro. And, like, my hair used to be, like, super long. So, like, it would hang down. It would hang down and shit. But now I cut my hair. And my hair doesn't, like, hang down as far. So, it just doesn't hang down as far anymore. So, I hate it, bro. It's simple, bro. Like, I want more hair in the back of my head, bro. Let's get this joint over. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. This is very tough, y'all. Very tough. Y'all ready? I don't think y'all ready. I don't think y'all ready, bro. All right, 3, 2, 1. Hey, bro. What y'all think, bro? What y'all think, bro? I got the phone like near the mirror so I can see like what I'm recording. What y'all think, bro? I'ma shave all this. Keep the goatee and the mustache, but yeah, I just got the hair done. Cut it off. Oh my god. I haven't had my hair like this since I was a kid, bro. I'm about to go to the store real quick. I'm probably gonna pick up my sister from school. And then we're gonna see what I put in this video. It's simple, nigga.
Tomorrow.
YouTube, you got me some Winglets. It's going right under here, under the side marker. So let's see what this joint looking like. So we got the regulants on right here on that side and on that side. And I'm not gonna lie, it looks nice, bro, because that second layer of the car, aggressive look to it that would match the front end and the headlights. And then, yeah, man, it's a little detail that makes a difference, bro. Car still needs to be lowered, but she looking nice. She does need a wash. Look at this. That's dirty, man. I plan on getting the street aero kit for the car with the front splitter, the side skirt, and the diffuser. And with the wing, I was thinking about putting that PP1 package wing wicker bear extender on the back. But the only reason why I haven't done it yet is because I gotta drill holes, and somehow I don't like it or something, or I just gotta take it off or something like that. And I got holes in the back of the wing now. You feel me? So it's not a waste of part, you know what I'm saying? But and this car right here, O2 RSX Type S, this car right here is just sitting, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I do have BC Racing coilovers on it, but I only got 2 in, and I haven't worked on it since the summertime. And I think I'm gonna take off the BC Racing coilovers, put the old ones back on, and then get my historic tags with this one. I think I'm gonna do that. Cause this car right here is a nice running car. The motor runs and all that, and I can have a second car to that. It's only got some paint. But, I mean, that's nothing for real. Blue interior. That's a flat tire, but yeah, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this video right here, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for y'all boy, Dre. And watch how we run it up in 24. The link down below is a link directly to the winglets that I bought for the Mustang GT. So go ahead and click that link. You know what I'm saying? Amazon, only $20 off Amazon, bro. If you got a Mustang GT, you want them joints, go in the description down below. You know what I'm saying? And buy them joints. It's only $20. It's me, your man, Dre, and I'm out, bro.